Right.
Recording.
Okay, right. First attempt at putting this IC back. Where's the one with all the four legs? See some really loosening stuff here. There. No, not that one. Here we go. So first attempt in putting that. Let's just see, putting that back. It's got legs all sides. Yes, I know I'm amateur at this, and it's fine. So we've had some very interesting day. Hopefully Jono can join us on a daily basis, yeah? So, I'm going to mess around here, I'm going to give it a little bit of a clean. Okay. It's all melted flux on there, I don't know how I'm going to do this. In any case, that thing's been cleaned already before, but let's take the soldering iron. No, let's put some soldering iron, whatever. Okay, right, let's go. Some solder, and we're going to see if we can give it a little touch. A little touch everywhere. Or put a blob and drag it. I believe that's another whole different story, another whole different ball game. I don't have very good soldering iron, so that blob story and dragging it, no, I've just pulled a whole bunch of pads out. I've just lifted a whole bunch of pads by doing this. Yeah, they lift very easy. We'll flip it. Because okay, that's a disaster. So I'll show you guys what happened there. Yeah, this is learning, eh? So let me see there, where's my finger there? So I've just pulled a whole bunch of pads off there. That lifted very, very easy. I want the soldering irons too hot, and the tip is no longer the way it's supposed to be when it was new. So that's a failed attempt. We'll catch up another one. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you feel like contributing anything else, you're welcome to buy me a coffee. Thanks guys, cheers, enjoy it.